Here in this question, we are required to locate the surfaces having the mentioned potentials. We know the potential is distributed like this. The potential at surface is given to be V0. The potential at infinity is given to be 0. And potential at surface we know 3 V0 by 2. Now, we know the potentials below the V0 and more than 0 will be lying in the region from R to infinity, and potentials between V0 to 3 V0 by 2 will be lying between R equals to 0 to R equals to R. So let us calculate the potentials accordingly with the help of formulas, which are, for the inside potential we have V in equals to KQ 3 capital R square minus small r square upon 2 R cube, and V out equals to KQ by small r. So let us find out them individually. So first, for the potential 3 V0 by 2, it is more than V0. So the formula will be formula of V in. So 3 V0 by 2 equals to KQ 3 R square minus R square upon 2 R cube, which implies R equals to 0. Now for the 5 V0 by 4, we have 5 by 4 V0 is KQ by R, and formula will be again same because it is more than V0. KQ 3 R square minus small r square upon 2 R cube. KQ is cancelled out, so it is 5 by 2 R square equals to 3 R square minus small r square. So R square equals to R square by 2. So R equals to R by root 2. This is our second. And for 3 V0 by 4, this is less than V. So the formula will be outside formula. So KQ by R equals to 3 by 4 KQ by capital R, which implies small r equals to 4R by 3. And for V0 by 4, KQ by small r equals to KQ by 4R, which implies R equals to 4R. Now let us check the options. Here in the option A, we are given is R1 equals to 0. It is correct. And R2 is less than R4 minus R3. So let us check option A. R1 equals to 0 is okay. And R4 minus R3 is 4R minus 4R by 3, which is 12R by 3. Sorry, 8R by 3. Now we are required to compare this with R2. Now R2 is R by root 2 and it is 8R by 3. So definitely R4 minus R3 is greater than R2. So option A is correct. Now let us check option B. Option B says 2R is less than R4. This is also correct. Now let us check option C. In option C, we are given R1 equals to 0 and R2 is more than R4 minus R3. This is incorrect, we have seen. And in the option 4, R1 is not 0. It is incorrect. So our answer is either option A or option B. So answer is 1 or 2. J means made the mistake, and it would have to mark all the examinees which are marking option A or option B. I hope you got the solution.